Alright, what's going on? We're back with another video. So this is gonna be another POV drive. This is gonna be me just driving to my boy's house. I know you guys enjoy these POV drives, so I'm gonna record it for you guys so you guys can enjoy it, watch it, chillax. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and pull up to the gas station. I need gas for sure. Then I'm gonna make my way over there. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start driving there. I did just finish putting gas. I had to use GPS because this dude lives a little bit away. K-tuner, the car feels really good. I haven't really driven that much. It's more like when I go to the gym in the morning, or like if I'm recording POV drives, I'll go ahead and drive around to get the content for you guys. But from what I've driven around, it's actually good. I hope you guys are enjoying these type of content. It's like a big difference from what I was posting. So I started with my YouTube with Call of Duty, Warzone, and then or games similar to COD that my play style, my skills can kind of transfer. So that was cool to do other little games like that. And then I just kind of got burnt off Warzone, so that's why I started doing campaign games. But then it was cool. It got my mind off just stressing over recording games of like Warzone high kill gameplays and shit. And then I was doing campaign games. It's just I feel like my channel, my subscribers don't really relate to it, so it's like I feel like I don't see as much growth from it. But as soon as I started posting my car, I always wanted to post in my car. It's just I was just a little nervous, bro. I was just like, damn, what are people gonna think? How am I gonna talk, you know? And the first video did really good, and I'm glad that I did it because now I feel more comfortable to showcase my car for you guys and the way I'm talking. So I'm a little more comfortable. But I want to know from you guys so far, with you guys watching my videos and stuff, what do you guys think of my car? You guys like it? You guys like how it is? What do you guys like about it? Does the color pop? Are you guys thinking about getting one for yourself? This is just a little chill POV drive for you guys. Hope you guys still watching. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like the video and subscribe for me. It helps me out. I see the growth already with the channel, especially with the games, especially with the car content. Man, bro, you see that fucking car? Straight up trying to speed to get in front of me, man. Interrupt me what the hell I was saying. Alright, so yeah, just like the video, subscribe. It does help me out. I see the growth in my channel going up little by little, and that makes me happy. It makes me happy that you guys are enjoying the videos and everything. So I really appreciate you guys for watching. As you can see, it does look nice outside, but the whole color tone is different from what the inside versus the outside shows. Because the tint, so like there's times where you're just chilling in the car and you step out and that shit's bright as hell. So I'm like, damn. But it's a good thing and a bad thing. The bad thing is it draws attention from unwanted, you know, if you get what I mean. I don't know what the fuck was that. I think I turned on the wrong one, bro. That shit look mad confusing. Sounds good. I don't know if you guys like Type R's. I really like those. I would get one. I don't really like the seats. I feel like you're too cluttered. It's just, you feel like you're just stuck in like still, which I get. That's meant for the car and shit. But I feel like the SI seats are perfect. It has more comfort and you still get the bucket style seats. So what more can you ask? Let me know what type of content you like to see from me, from my car. Where do you want to see me go? What do you want me to show? Just let me know. Let's see, so you basically do this.
Watch that. The old man, if he's still there, he's gonna be looking at us.
Huh?
Go inside my car. Go just pull it in there.
Want me to reverse?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I just got home. As you can see, it's dark outside, but it's probably like 12 o'clock right now. I was gonna record the drive back, but I was just chilling, driving. I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace.